According to the World Health Organization and Food and Agriculture of the United Nations, adults should consume at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, excluding starchy vegetables. But what are some hidden truths about fruits we should know? Hello everyone. Welcome back to True Health for Life. Today we're diving deep into the world of fruits, exploring some shocking truths that might make you reconsider your daily fruit intake. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fascinating content. Let's get started. Number 1. High sugar content. While fruits are often praised for their natural sweetness, did you know that they can be loaded with sugars? Fructose, the natural sugar found in fruits, can contribute to high sugar intake, affecting blood sugar levels and potentially leading to weight gain and other health issues. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, excess fructose consumption has been linked to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Not all fruits are created equal, and some have a significantly higher sugar content than others. High sugar fruits includes watermelons, overly ripe bananas, and pineapple. These fruits are still safe for a person with diabetes to eat, and there is no need to exclude them from the diet. However, it is important to be aware of their sugar content and plan accordingly. It can be beneficial for people with diabetes to stick to a single serving of fruit at a time and pair fruit with a source of protein or fat. Number 2. Acidic effects on teeth. Most people love eating fruits. They're sweet, juicy, and can be a healthy source of high vitamin C. However, because fruits and fruit drinks can be very acidic, consuming highly acidic foods and drinks every day can harm teeth without the right aftercare. Eating acidic fruits and other foods can eventually cause tooth enamel to wear away, leading to things like dental erosion and tooth sensitivity. While this acidity provides a tangy flavor, it can also erode tooth enamel, leading to tooth sensitivity and cavities. Dentist Dr. Jane Smith warns that frequent fruit consumption without proper oral care can contribute to dental problems. It's essential to be mindful of how acidic fruits impact your oral health. Pro tip: if what you're eating or drinking is citrus or citrus-flavored, carbonated, or sour, it's best to limit how much you consume. Nutritious, acidic foods like tomatoes and citrus fruits can have some acidic effects on tooth enamel, so eat them as part of a meal, not by themselves. And also, after acidic meals or beverages, rinse your mouth with water, drink milk, or enjoy a snack of cheesy right afterward. Dairy and other calcium-rich foods can help neutralize acids. Number 3. Pesticide residue. Fruits and vegetables are always a healthy choice as they contain a high amount of vitamins and minerals. These are cultivated using pesticides and other chemicals to ensure that the crop remains protected from germs, insects, and rodents, and even yields more fruit. According to the recent FDA pesticide monitoring report, approximately 207 different pesticide residues are detected on the foods, thus making it harmful for consumption. Almost 62% of vegetables and 82% of fruits are found to have pesticide residues, which can affect your health in a different way. High pesticide exposure can have various detrimental health effects, including acute poisoning, chronic health issues, neurological effects, endocrine disruption, respiratory issues, allergic reaction, and increased risk of cancer. You might be opting for organic fruits to avoid pesticides, but shocking research reveals that even organic fruits can carry pesticide residues. A study conducted by the Environmental Working Group found pesticide residues on various organic fruits. Pro tip: the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and other scientists agree. Use a cold water soak with baking soda to effectively help remove dirt, chemical residue, and other unwanted materials from your fresh vegetables and fruits. Another option is to use solution of 1 part white vinegar and 3 parts water is effective at reducing bacteria on produce. Number 4. Impact on blood sugar. While fruits contain fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar, some fruits have a high glycemic index, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be problematic for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to maintain stable energy throughout the day. The main sugar in fruit, called fructose, is quickly taken up by the liver, converted to glucose, and released into the bloodstream. So, fruit can cause glucose levels to rise. However, fruits also contain fiber, a nutrient that can slow carbohydrate digestion and help manage blood sugar levels. Different fruits contain varied amounts of fructose, glucose, and fiber, meaning that the type of fruit you eat will determine how it affects your blood sugar. The type of sugar found in fruit is different from the simple sugar that is added to processed foods, like soda or ice cream. Because the carbohydrates in fruit are accompanied by fiber, vitamins, and minerals, eating fruit in moderation will generally affect blood sugar levels differently and more slowly than eating candy. Nutritionist Dr. Sarah Johnson emphasizes the importance of choosing fruits with a lower glycemic index to better manage blood sugar levels. Number 5. Fruit sugar addiction. Did you know that the natural sugars in fruits can trigger the same pleasure centers in the brain as processed sugars? This can lead to sugar addiction, making it challenging to reduce overall sugar intake. Fructose, the sugar found in fruit, may increase cravings for high-calorie foods, according to researchers. Nutritionist Mark Davis discusses the addictive nature of fruit sugars and provides insights on how to overcome sugar cravings for a healthier lifestyle. Number 6. Digestive issues. While fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, consuming excessive amounts of fiber from fruits can lead to digestive discomfort, bloating, and gas. An example are citrus fruits. Celebrated for their high levels of vitamin C, citrus fruits are a nutritious and delicious option to up your fruit intake, but they can cause digestive issues for some. Because of their high acidic levels, citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges can cause acid reflux and stomach pain. If you experience this after enjoying this type of fruit, consider replacing it with another fruit high in vitamin C, but lower in acidities, such as honeydew melon, banana, mango, or blueberries. Number 7. Allergies and sensitivities. Though rare, some individuals may develop allergies or sensitivities to certain fruit. The most prevalent and best described are reactions to apple, peach, and kiwi fruit. Since fruits often contain allergens from different classes of food allergens, fruit allergic individuals may display different reactions to the same fruit. Fruit allergy is frequently observed as local reactions in the oral cavity or oral allergy syndrome. These can occur only minutes after consumption of the respective food, and itching and swelling of the mouth, lips, and throat are commonly observed. Often mild, these symptoms can be accompanied by skin reactions, asthma, and rhinitis. Severe reactions such as cardiovascular symptoms and anaphylaxis can also be experienced by some individuals. Number 8. Fruit and weight loss. Contrary to popular belief, not all fruits are created equal when it comes to weight loss. Some fruits, while nutritious, can be higher in calories and sugar, potentially hindering weight loss efforts. Fruits contain a mixture of fructose, glucose, and sucrose. When eaten in large amounts, fructose can be harmful and may contribute to issues like obesity, liver disease, and heart problems. For this reason, many people looking to eat less sugar mistakenly believe that they need to eliminate fruit from their diet. However, it's important to distinguish between the massive amount of fructose found in added sugars and the small amounts found in fruits. Nutrition expert Dr. Jason Brown provides insights on choosing fruits strategically for weight loss and maintaining a healthy diet. Fruit is low in calories, but high in nutrients. Eating it in place of a high-calorie snack can help increase weight loss. Number 9. Environmental impact. The foods we eat not only affect our health, but also the health of the environment. These environmental impacts are measured using a method known as life cycle assessments, LCAs. This technique helps us measure and understand the impact of foods on the environment throughout the stages of the supply chain. From growing, harvesting, storing, transporting, all the way to consumption. While fruits offer numerous health benefits, the environmental impact of large-scale fruit production is often overlooked. From deforestation to excessive water usage, the fruit industry contributes to environmental degradation. Environmental scientist Dr. Lisa Anderson discusses the ecological footprint of fruit production and encourages viewers to consider sustainable alternatives. Number 10. Nutrient imbalance. While fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals, relying solely on them for nutritional needs may lead to nutrient imbalances. It's crucial to diversify your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of essential nutrients. Those were the top 10 shocking truths about why you might reconsider your fruit consumption. Remember, moderation is key. and it's essential to make informed choices based on your individual health needs. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your thoughts.